How much does your company spend to teach employees Excel? How much could your company save if all employees were fast and proficient in Excel? Introducing Hotkey Excellence. It's a revolution in Excel learning. It's Excel training in the form of a computer game. With over 200 shortcuts and hotkeys to increase speed and efficiency, over 70 formulas and functions used most frequently, and advanced Excel featuring macros, pivot tables, and more. So why is Hotkey Excellence the best solution for your company? It's less expensive and easily scalable. It gives your company clear performance measures of each employee, and it's more efficient and engaging for all employees. First, Hotkey Excellence allows an unlimited amount of employees to play the game at any given time to improve their Excel skills with one fixed cost. Second, your company will get clear statistics, topic by topic, for each employee's performance and level of Excel skills. And third, it's more efficient and engaging for the employees. Hotkey Excellence uses mouse-free, game-style lessons where employees collect keys to represent their achievements. And there are competition charts for employees to compete to see who will be the Hotkey champion. No more boring books and long video courses. Employees will learn Excel by playing and having fun. Hotkey Excellence will help your employees be faster and more proficient in Excel, which means they can accomplish more in a shorter period of time. And the best news is, we can customize the Excel game to make it the perfect fit for your company.